All right, guys, here's the last little bit. You're going to be asked to find area again, okay? But you are only going to be given 3 sides, okay? So in this case, we're going to use a formula called Heron's formula, and it is used to find the area of a triangle when you are given 3 sides, okay? Now, I know you guys know area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. That's if you know the base and you know the perpendicular height, right? Okay. But in this case, this is for any triangle, no matter what, and all you know are the sides, okay? And I know you guys learned that other one yesterday using the sign, okay? What was it? 1/2 b times c times the sine of a. Okay, a lot of formulas here. Okay, so here's one more to add to your list. Okay, and the area of the triangle is going to equal the S, which I believe is something like the semi-perimeter. Okay, I think S stands for semi-perimeter, and I'll show you what S equals. It equals 1/2 times the side A plus side B plus side C. And if you think about it, semicircle is half a circle. This is side A plus B plus C. That's the perimeter of a triangle, right? When you add up the sides. So A plus B plus C is the perimeter. And if you're cutting it in half, I believe that's why it's called the semi-perimeter. Okay. So either way, to get S, you add up the sides, you get the perimeter, cut it in half. Then you multiply it by that value minus side A, multiplied by the value of S minus side B, multiplied by S minus C. Then after you're done with all that, you're going to take the square root. Now, how somebody figured this out is beyond me. I've seen the proof of this before. It's pretty cool. I'm always really impressed by a lot of the stuff that we get to just use today. Kind of like your iPhones, right? You get to just use it with absolutely no understanding of where it came from, how it works, okay? So we're pretty privileged to be able to do this. But I guess that's if you really want to find the area of a triangle given the sides. I guess you're privileged if that's your deal. Okay. So anyway, here is the example I'm going to give you. We have 5, we have 8, and we have 11. Now, I'm not sure if this is going to come up in your homework or not. Okay. But let me just show you something really quick. If I have, I'm going to erase this 5. You don't need to erase this 5 if you don't. Well, here, I'll put the 5 back here, and I'll do another example over here. What if I gave you something like 2 and 8 and 11, and I said find the area of that triangle? Sometimes you need to be a little careful. Here's why. Okay, let's take this longest side. That's 11, right? Okay, that's 11. Okay. And then let's take the other 2 sides. Notice one side is 8. That's cool. Okay. I'll draw a side that's 8. Okay. And then I'll draw the other side that's 2. There's a problem here. It's not going to connect. Can anybody see why? Well, what happens if I take 8 and 2 and add them together? Don't I get 10? Well, isn't the length of this 11? And if I was to draw 2 other pieces that are supposed to go up and then come back down and they only equal 10, think about it. If I draw a length that is 10 in a straight line here, won't it just come to about here? Okay? Out of 11, I only reach this far. So sometimes you won't get a triangle. And you can tell right away because this length right here, okay, that's the longest side. These 2 shorter sides have to add up to be greater than that. Otherwise, you'll get a situation like that. Okay, so over here, I think we're good. The longest side's 11. 8 plus 5 is 13. That's greater than 11. We're good to go. Okay, so here we go. We're going to find the area of this triangle. Okay, and if you want, you could draw the triangle, no problem. But let me just find S. Okay, the S is the semi-perimeter, so that's 1/2 times 5 plus 8 plus 11. Okay, so S equals 1/2 times 5 plus 8 is 13 plus 11 is 24. All right, and that equals 12. All right. iPhone is not activated. Dismiss. Okay, hopefully nothing from my video got messed up. The timer's still going? Okay, good. Sorry, I got a weird message on my phone. Okay, so here we go. So now I know S, so now let's find my area. Area equals the square root. Oof, that was a wonky line. Okay, the square root of S, which is 12, okay, times 12 minus A. Well, you can call this A and B and C. That's fine. So 12 minus 5 times 12 minus B, which is 8, times 12 minus C, which is 11, okay? And let me just clean that up a little bit. Area equals the square root of 12 times 12 minus 5 is 7, 12 minus 8 is 4, and 12 minus 11 is 1, okay? So area equals the square root. Let's see, 7 times 4 is 28, 280 plus here, I'll just do this in my calculator so I don't screw anything up. So here we go. So 12 times 28, and that is 336. So I get area equals the square root of 336, and I'll take the square root of that guy. Square root of 336 equals 18.3. So the area of this triangle, okay, with the side 5, 8, and 11 is 18.3, and I'm just going to say units squared, okay? All right, my peeps, hopefully that was helpful. If you need anything, if you need help on anything at all, just find me in my office hours. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.